know y'all didn't think I was gonna wait to the end of 2020 to start doing it crazy, right? That's a McLaren right there. You're checking out One Race Lifestyle. Let's go. Here it is, that McLaren at 12C. Beautiful car, man. Absolutely beautiful car. There's also rumor that this one is for sale as well. See if we can get a little bit of this. See how these doors go up. Got the doors open right there on it. Very beautiful vehicle. Told y'all, man, for 2020 we're not playing, man. I don't know if you can hear this thing, but it sounds absolutely amazing. It's that McLaren 12C. Very beautiful car. It has red wheels, carbon fiber lip to match the interior. Man, very beautiful car. So we're hanging out here at Smash Customs. And as you can see behind me, we got the McLaren going on. Very beautiful car. Should check it out. It's actually for sale too. So if you want one, come out here to Smash Customs. Very beautiful car. Absolutely very beautiful. See out the back, you got the engine back there. So old school Mercedes right here. This joint got an AMG in it. This paint is crazy, this gray color with the black. I don't know if you can see the wheels, but it has spikes in there. Side port exhaust on it. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know if y'all can hear me because of the traffic going by. This is a beautiful car. This is one of them joints you take to like the cannonball run, or like the gumball 3000. This is one of them cars. That's a sleeper, but to blow the doors off of anything. First off, look inside. This is crazy. This is like a full-blown race car, but in a Mercedes. It is that guy, Ike, One Race Lifestyle. I just got through hanging out at Smash Customs for the day. Yo, I hope you enjoy everything that I was able to show you. And definitely, man, if you are looking for a vehicle, hit them up. Let them know what you're looking for. If you already have a vehicle that you're trying to get some work done on, definitely hit them up. Just about every vehicle that I showed you today is probably for sale. So if you want to know more about it, definitely hit up Smash Customs. Like I said, I'll include the link in the description below. So that way they can go ahead and get back to you and get you all the information that you need. Yo, Smash Customs, thank you again. Thank you very much for having me out and taking a look at your facility today. Be on the lookout for them as well too. They do a lot of the car shows, so they'll probably be at Festival of Speed. I know I'll be at Festival of Speed in St. Pete next week, so definitely reach out to me, holla out, say hi, all that good stuff, man, because I'll be out there filming, doing a whole bunch of crazy stuff. All right, so yo, definitely, once again, don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click like, share it, comment if you will. I will be releasing some more information about this merch, One Race Lifestyle. Shout out to One Stop Custom Shop for making everything for me. And yo, follow me on Instagram at One Race Lifestyle. Follow me on Facebook at One Race Lifestyle. This is that guy Ike, and I am out of here.